How's everyone doing? It's been a long time. I had a couple things that had to be done, but the sunroof is installed. So I just want to show you guys how everything came out. It's a beautiful day. Want to get you guys a good view of the sunroof. Alright, so I'll show you guys what I did to hold the sunroof in place. I put 3 bolts with nuts on the bottom, 3 on one side, 3 on the other. Show you guys what it looks like on that side. Headliner's kind of hanging down. Okay. Get a good view of it. Okay, so I cut a little hole right there so I could open it and close it. So I'll show you guys how I close it and open it. So I grab this handy little tool and we put it right here. And watch guys how it opens. As I'm turning, the sunroof is opening. It'll be a minute, guys. So I'm gonna open it all the way for you guys to see how far out it goes. The motor is supposed to be electric, but I found out I needed a module to run the sunroof, so I decided to just make it manual for the time being. So let's see what it looks like from the outside. There it is, guys. Check it out. If you haven't, subscribe. We're gonna get a lot more projects coming. There's the sunroof, guys. There it is. Camaro SS sunroof installed. I think the next step would be to weld it in place, take out the bolts, seal up the holes. I've also installed drains, 2 drains in the front. I angled it to where the sunroof is. It's higher from the back, and so I sealed off the drains in the back, but I installed 2 drains in the front, so the rainwater can go down as well. I ran the drains down through here, and they're right. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. So yeah, guys, there's that. So make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one, guys.